Howdy, Mr. President.
Good morning, I mean, Mr. Bush-President 43.
Mr. President, I've been hearing that you are interested in putting more of the tax burden on the fine business people who already are contributing most of the revenue to the government. Is that true?
Well, 43, if you mean that I am asking the rich to pay their fair share, that's true. I think those Americans who can afford to pay more because of their high incomes and great wealth should pay more. Particularly in this time of great economic crisis.
But, don't you know, Barack, Mr. President, that I worked hard, very, very hard, to get those tax breaks voted in when I was president.
Well, you may have worked hard indeed, very, very hard, to give greater privilege to plutocrats like yourself, your family, and other wealthy capitalists. However, to fail to ask the rich to shoulder more of the weight during these tough times really borders on criminal, in my opinion. Don't you understand that, sir?
Well, no, sir, I do not. I just hope you don't change the law, 'cause I really worked hard to get those tax breaks passed. And if you take them away, it will hurt my feelings a lot. I worked so hard and everything.